Our Big Ideas workshop was in response to the university's request to engage all staff across the university in a conversation about its future strategy and direction. We started off by setting the context and by talking about the university and the challenges that the higher education sector faces. We needed to make it relevant to our staff, and so we approached it from a perspective of addressing specific priorities from a university level, a cultural institutions level, and from a Jodrell Bank Discovery Centre level.
I'm really proud of what we can deliver here at Jodrell Bank. We bring science and culture and history of the site to the public every day, whether that is in school groups with our workshops or our stargazing evenings, and I think that's the thing that we do best and that we have to keep doing.
One of the things that I did mark as being really important is that we should have stronger links between other institutions within the university, such as Whitworth Art Gallery and the Manchester Museum.
We don't really talk to them as much as we'd like to, and perhaps the other way around too, so we could get involved with them more often, promote each other's events. I think would be really important, which is a bit of a win-win situation.
Not very often do we get all of the staff in the same room talking about the same things.
Being able to talk to each other about the problems we have and how we can fix those problems, and also what we do well, was a really, really good thing to do. The main thing for me was actually being able to share the ideas that we all have, but we've just actually never told each other before.
It was a really good exercise to go through, and I think actually ultimately it demonstrated putting the strategy into action. So the very process of consulting with staff and encouraging a conversation in itself results in a more engaged team.